Hello and welcome. This is Cara Brandon, and today I'm excited to announce I will be participating in another collaboration. I'm super excited. This one is a bit different than one I've done in the past, and it's been really fun to collaborate. Her YouTube channel is Bella Creativa, and that is also her Etsy shop. Actually, her Etsy shop is Bella Creativa Designs, and her name is Katie, and her and I are working together on this collaboration. I'm going to use my sunflower kit. This isn't all of it. I've been cutting apart some of the pages, but using my sunflower kit, and then what she does is she creates I'm going to say the wrong one, but PNG files, so cut files for Cricut machines, Silhouette, and Brother. And then you can download those cut files, cut out your pieces, and then use the digital kit with the files. So I'm using her journal PNG, and then also she has a file folder PNG, and this is actually the file folder. And then I'm going to do the journal after this one. So this is my work in progress, and you'll see some process videos, but this is kind of what I'm talking about. So these pieces I cut out on my Cricut, and then I use the matte template to then go with my pages and put them on top. And super fun. So you'll see that I'm kind of mid-process deciding where things are going to go, but stay tuned because you'll see the process video of how I've made it this far. All right, so let's take a look. So she also has, here's some pieces that I put together. So these are cut files. Again, I cut these out on my Cricut, and the cool thing about using your Cricut, you can use any colors you want, pattern paper, you know, all that good stuff. And then this is from the journal kit, and oh my gosh, I just love the viewfinder. There's an original size, and it was a bit bigger, and I shrunk it down. And then I love this too, that you could also make the Heidi Swap, the memory decks cards. And then this is for a journal page. You can glue this on your page and then have all these really cool tucks. So it works perfectly with the sunflower kit. And then there's this one, and I left this top part open so this could be a tuck in my journal. All right, so there's the cut files, and then there's also these pages that I cut out on my Cricut, but in this really bright color that I don't think I'll use. And then these become the matte pages. So then I can decide where on my digital kit I want to cut out, right? So if I want a certain part of my flower, it's really nice that I can then trace around and then have that as my mat that will then go on top of the foundation page. All right, I'm gonna jump to a clip of showing you her YouTube channel and also her Etsy shop. Okay, hold on. Okay, so here is her YouTube channel. It's Bella Creativa, and she has all sorts of wonderful videos. And what I would recommend, if you go to her playlist, she has tutorials on how to put the items together. So there's a file folder tutorial. Whoops, I don't want to start it. And here you'll see all of the different pieces that she's used to put together the file folder. So I would recommend that if you haven't used your Cricut like I had, and I had to dust off my Cricut, literally dust off my Cricut. And it took me a little bit to kind of get back into the groove of using my Cricut, and she has some excellent tutorials. She also has, can't find it right now, of course, but there is also a video that shows how to get the files ready, to change them from a cut to a score line. So I will make sure to link that in my video because that was a very helpful video as well. And then to get the files, you want to go to Etsy And here's her Bella Creativa Designs on Etsy. And I'm going to be using this journal pack and the sunflower pack and also the file folder. So take a look at the sunflower. So all of these really cool things, kind of like the ones I was showing you, but there's pockets and journal pages and there's that text spot. Just really, really cool. So that is my latest collaboration, and I'm so excited. Katie is super cool. And her tutorials are awesome. But I will also kind of take you along with my journey on how I am doing with my with my journal. Once I got over my little learning curve, I'm feeling a little more confident about it, and I can't wait to show you the process. All right, let's hop back to the other view. Okay. So to see how Katie at Bella Creativa makes her journal, make sure you're subscribed. Wow, that was hard for me to get out. Subscribed. And also I will show you my process on my file folder and then also my junk journal. All right. And if you're interested, I'll also have the link to the sunflower kit down below. And I've made a few freebies that are also in the Facebook group that will match the sunflower kit. All right. I will see you soon with more of my file folder. All right, have a wonderfully crafty day. Bye-bye.